I gotta get you to tell everybody.
Okay.
No, we don't, well, not too much tea, but tell us, what can we expect this season 13?
From the Real Housewives of Atlanta. Well, you guys can expect a lot. You know, we are the #1 show on Bravo. And again, we were challenged with filming a reality show during a pandemic. And kudos to Bravo for being able to keep us safe. You know, we get tested every week. So now we're getting tested twice a week. We have a couple more weeks of filming left. We were able to actually do a show. Like season 13, I think is going to be very entertaining. And you guys can expect a lot. You know, the world changed with COVID-19. So of course our lives changed, the show changed. You guys will see us shooting a lot more from home. You guys will see, you know, a lot more masks. You know, this is our new normal. I don't know when this is going away. So, you know, the girls, you know, although we have our ups and downs and our drama, it's still a sisterhood. The Black Lives Matter movement. You know, we are a Black ensemble cast. That affected our lives. It affected our families' lives. It affected our, you know, everyone we know that's Black. You know, it affected all of our lives. The world changed because of the Black Lives Matter movement. So you'll see us, you know, addressing those things on the show. And, you know, family. Like my takeaway from the pandemic and COVID-19 was, you know what? I don't take my health for granted anymore. I don't take anything for granted anymore. I love being able to go outside. I appreciate seeing people now. I'm so happy to see everybody. I don't know what to do with myself.
I know, right?
So, you know, I'm just grateful. I'm grateful and I'm blessed. You know, my husband's amazing. Our kids are great. So we're good. And we're just, you know, humbled by 2020. 2020 was no joke.
Wow. Well, let me tell you, I thank you so much for taking time to sit down with me. I know you're a very busy lady and you're doing so much, but I really, really do appreciate it.
Oh, you're very welcome. And I thank you for your patience. I know we had a lot going on today.
Absolutely. For big stars like you.
Oh, thank you.
But yes, you all out there, make sure that you tune in to the Real Housewives of Atlanta this Sunday at 8 p.m. on Bravo. Can't wait to watch.
That's right. You don't want to miss out.